In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we leave the Marquesas behind and sail 500 miles to the atoll islands of the Tuamotus and Fakarava.
Well, we're almost halfway across. We've been sailing with the main and the Genoa the whole way. Last night at about 5 in the morning, the wind dropped off about 7 or 8 knots. Which is still good for the spinnaker, but we really haven't had the right angle until now for the spinnaker. We haven't been far south. We're going to turn a little more west. So we are going to take the sails down now and put up the spinnaker.
The clutch for the main halyard failed in the clenched position, so it took some ingenuity to get it to release. We were able to get the clutch open, but we would still need to replace it at a later date. There's not a much more comfortable point of sail than sailing almost dead downwind on the spinnaker in light winds. The Tuamotus are very low islands, not more than a few feet above sea level. In this case, the tide and the waves were coming in together, so it made for a nice, easy passage into the Tuamotu. The Tuamotus are atolls, which are uplifted coral islands. There's normally only 1 or 2 passes inside the atoll, which can make for some pretty gnarly currents. The deep water outside and the shallow water inside make for some excellent snorkeling, diving, and a beautiful view. Okay, first time going ashore in the Tuamotus. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's
We're
do
waiting
this.
for you, man.
All right, let's go.
Come on, aye aye, Captain, let's go.
I don't think I've ever seen so many.
Phone booths?
Yeah, like operational phone booths. You still see them now and again in the States, but wow. It is really hot.
So hot. I can't handle it.
They do siestas here, I believe. So anything between like 12 and 2 o'clock, nothing goes on here at all. Occasionally you can find a restaurant and bars, but they're not even open here. It's really hot. It's very hot. I don't know. We need to find
I'm
cooler.
burnt.
We need to find cold drinks. Cold drinks in the shade, like stat. Okay, important note to all you guys that want to cruise French Polynesia. Pretty much.
No Sunday Funday?
Yeah, no Sunday Funday. Pretty much everything in the Tuamotus is closed. Mostly the Marquesas is also. So.
And it's hot.
And it's hot. Oh my god.
Don't forget your sunblock.
Sunblock is unnecessary.
Even though there's not much going on the island, we can still have fun on the boat.
Not much going on here on a Sunday night.
Check us out next time as we continue to explore Fakarava and the Tuamotus, and please click that subscribe button. Thank you so much.